Welcome to the Inventor 2016 Techniques for Professionals course. In this course we will discuss the main novelties of Inventor 2016, applying advanced concepts and tools for you who already know the Inventor and want to improve yourself. In this first class we will know the organization of the course and see a general overview of the contents to be learned. The course is divided into 4 modules, and they are composed of lessons and complementary exercises. In the classes are explained the commands and tools, their ways of use and concepts, step by step. In the complementary exercises, a task is proposed for the student to do and train, based on what has been learned. In the first module will be presented the novelties of Inventor 2016 and the new technologies used. We will know and learn, for example, how to work with project, for project management. In Module 2 we will explore the new multi-CAD technology. We will learn how to import drawings created in other software, and we will also see when this is needed. We will see how to transform 2D files from AutoCAD into 3D in Inventor, and working simultaneously with AutoCAD and Inventor in the same drawing. In Module 3 we will learn about advanced features for part modeling. We will learn to work with parameters for editing pieces, modeling ribs and performing combinations of features. We'll see how to fold pieces and apply angles to specific parts. It will also be presented how to change direction, copy, move features and perform transitions using guide paths, with the Loft tool. We will finish the module by learning how to create and insert puncture tools. In Module 4, Advanced Techniques for Assemblies, Exploited Views and Details will be presented. We will learn how to create parts and import drawings from other CAD software in an assembly environment. We will also learn to analyze interference in assemblies, and to add contact between parts. We will see how to use Inventor to generate bill of material automatically, and create exploded view of a set. We'll learn some features for 2D detail of parts and assemblies, and look at how to set up notes and drawing styles. Thus, we will be able to develop projects for various applications in a professional way. Let's start the course. Render the one who knows, teaches.